This bunny is looking really pretty.
Hello, bunny, bunny.
I look so stupid. It's like I've come for a honeymoon.
Hey, pose, wo pose.
Call someone to help. I'm going now. Everything dropped. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be my wedding reception vlog. So today is 5th February and the wedding reception is on 7th. So I'll try my best to record small clips, whatever's happening behind the scenes. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog the actual event, but the back end scenes like getting ready, putting mehendi, and you know, my cousins are gonna come. So I'll try to record those things. And yeah, the first thing is gonna be mehendi. So the mehendi wali is gonna come today. Done with my mehendi. The mehendi artist name is Misbah. I'll leave her details in the description box below. She did a really nice job. Now she's putting mehendi for others, but I love it. This is the first time I've got such a pretty mehendi done on me. You know, she did mehendi for Nikhil's and Chance's wedding also. That's so cool. So cool. And I look stupid. I know I didn't even get ready properly. क्या करूँ? For my vlog, so I'll just introduce you.
Okay, I'll just remove my spectacles.
She has done such a beautiful job, and I'll leave her details in the description box below. Say hi.
Hi. Thank you.
She's just 21 years old. Can you believe that? And she's putting mehendi since 9th standard. It's her passion, and she's doing it on the side. She's actually a student, so it's really cool. So my parents and uncle and auntie and one cousin have come. So more guests are gonna come, okay? I look very shiny because of skincare. And it's like time travel to our wedding day. Matlab, same, everything is happening as it is. I can't touch water, so Saish did my skincare for me. He also massaged my head with oil because I have to wash it tomorrow. So everything was like happening exactly as it is. I'm feeling like it's a wedding tomorrow. But yeah, reception is day after tomorrow. Good night. So it's the next day and I got ready. I'll just show you. I just posted a lot of Instagram stories with this outfit. I literally spammed, but that's what I love doing. So this bunny is looking really pretty. It's red, okay, and I have a mangalsutra and necklace. And today more guests are gonna come, so that's why I got ready. I'm behaving very extra today because I'm happy. When I'm happy, I always behave like this. By the way, I tried this K-Beauty blush and I'm not sure which one to wear tomorrow for the reception. There are 4 colors. Hey Google, turn everything off.
Got it. Turning off 6 days.
This is my kaku. Hi, my vlogger.
Hi.
This is my eye. She's putting mehendi. Misbah has come again. Hi.
Hello.
And it's too hot. Yeah, there's nothing much to do. Just chilling. I just blow dried my hair roughly. I did not style it curly because tomorrow I'm gonna blow dry it again, right? I mean, the hairstylist is gonna come and she's gonna do style for me. And if I put all those curly products, I'll have to wash them off again. And I couldn't leave it just like that because it looked way too frizzy. So I just blow dried it roughly. I didn't do it perfectly. Anyway, I'm gonna tie it behind it. Just this part I did perfectly. That's why it's looking proper. Rest is like just boosa. By the way, that mahogany color is going off. The copper tones are coming back. So I think I'm gonna color again. But I'm not going to the salon again, okay? I'm not gonna spend that much money. I'll just do it at home. I might do a video with L'Oreal. They had reached out to me anyway, so kitna lucky hu main. And by the way, this is my mehndi, the colored. I'll show it in sun. It looks so beautiful, right? I have worn those toe rings, so pretty. My mom had bought it for me during wedding. I feel like they're gonna fall off, but actually they don't. They stop right here. But still it feels like they'll fall because I'm not used to wearing them. Yeah, this is my mehndi. So pretty. Hey Google, turn the main lights on. I love to put mehndi on my toes, yeah. The only thing I don't like about mehndi is the mess it creates. Like, the mehndi is all over my house currently. I look so funny dancing like this. But yeah, look at my mehndi. Look at my mehndi. Wow. Yeah. Let me just have my coffee. This is coffee by Maybelline. Yeah, branded coffee. Oh, it's coffee lipsticks. So they have 4 lipsticks in the coffee collection and they smell so delicious. They smell exactly like coffee. They both are matching. This is my mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law is half mother.
Aisha's done something new. I haven't seen him yet. Lol. I heard you. Arey, wait. Show me. What? I like this. Feels nice. Why is it red? What haircut you told? बता ना क्या बोला haircut. So tomorrow what you're gonna do? Blow dry at home?
do myself.
Nice. YouTuber का husband शोकता है.
अरे बाली नहीं है, क्या ब्लो ड्राई करूंगा?
अरे तो हमेशा करता है ना सोने
हाँ,
के
तो वही
पहले.
करता हूँ, करूंगा ना.
बाहर जाने से पहले.
करूंगा.
You look sexy. How do I look? How do I look? I look too pretty, right? I can't recognize myself. I look so pretty. Hello, bunny, bunny. Hello, pumpkin, pumpkin. Hello, honey, bunny. I've got a habit of calling him honey or bunny. Either honey or bunny. That's what I'm saying. Look at Saish. Lol. Look at that. Oh, so cute. I look so stupid.
अगं तेव्हा तू एवढं तुला असं हेअरस्टाईलचं वगैरे एवढं ज्ञान नव्हतं.
Look at my specs, bro.
कपड्याचे नव्हतं.
I used to wear this every single day. Like, it was my favorite outfit. Look at him.
साईज गोड दिसत होता तुला सूट.
हे कधीच आहे 2015, 16. त्या महिने काढले. My dad hadn't seen me in this beautiful outfit. मी कशी दिसते? My skin is glowing so much. हा? परत सांग.
Very nice, beautiful, very nice.
हा म्हण.
Hi.
काहीतरी म्हणा लोकांचं. काहीतरी. काय पण.
Hello, Madhushri. You are very beautiful.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Oh, nice. Hello. Bye bye. Look at, I didn't even see her. What the hell? She was camouflaged. She's so angry. No one's looking at her today. Hello. Milu. Vlog. These are my cousins. Say hi. Hello. Mayuri, Radha. Suddenly they became awkward as soon as I put on the camera. So many people. खूप खराब होता. काही नाही, तयार होऊन परत ब्लॉग करेल. तुला आवडते मांजर? मला खाली. I finally got 2 bridesmaids. I never had bridesmaids. Everyone's just talking and I'm sitting in corner like usual. We've come to a beach. Okay. I didn't change at all. मैं ऐसी ही आ गई. I look so funny because मला कंटाळा आला होता बदलायचा कपडे. आणि I haven't worn sunscreen today and I'm roaming in sun since morning. Even afternoon I went out in sun. That's so wrong of me. But anyway, It looks like I've come for honeymoon, like with this bangle. Like many tourists in Goa come like this with chuda.
White भी.
हाँ क्या
My
बोलते
mummy white mask.
कुछ भी. He has come. Duffy. Hello.
काही खरं वाटत नाही.
अबे मी तुला ओळखलंच नाही.
अगं एवढं छान खेळ
मला वाटलं many people are staring at me like they are wondering why I'm wearing so much. There was a husky swimming in the water just now, but he went, so I couldn't show you. Do I know you? I literally didn't recognize you. क्या है मम्मी क्या है? ये तो मस्त आ रहा है यार इस बैकग्राउंड में. It looks very pretty. She don't touch me now.
कुर्ता शुर्ता पहन के बीच पे है. घर पे तो बोलती है मेरे को बिकिनी पहनना बिकिनी पहना.
ए ठीक से बोल यार, ब्लॉग है ये.
तो बीप करना, बीप करना.
It's reception vlog.
जा तू तिला विचार रे.
I think that खरमुरे I wanted. We are doing so much time pass here, like literally.
फिर इसीलिए आए ना बीच में.
हाँ टाइम पास मतलब फोटो, कितना फोटो निकाले राधा के. काहे? ये पोज वो पोज. मैं बैटरी ऑलमोस्ट ओवर ना. फोन की बैटरी आहे, चार्ज लास्ट नाही. Who dresses up like this on a beach? Me.
Miss Bai is again back.
Oh, Shona Pillow. You're so cute. Cute. So कुट्टू. इतना क्यूट बच्चा किसका है? I'm so stupid. Hello. फुटबॉलर बनेगी. लात मारती है. So it's the next day. We are having breakfast right now. Yesterday we had so much fun. We had gone to the beach first, and then at night we danced a lot. So I slept a little extra because I don't want to feel sleepy at night. Because usually I feel sleepy by evening. Okay, and I'm also gonna have black coffee. Usually I don't have anything, no coffee, tea, but I need to have coffee. Otherwise I'll be like. I think I'm gonna start getting ready at 12 or 1. The hairstyle is gonna come at 12 because there are many people whose hair has to be done. So let's just call her early. I'm just trying out the bangles, like the order. How do they look? It feels so weird to me. मेरे हाथों में I have to count चूड़ियाँ रे. My hair. You like my hair? She thinks. Just bought it. तुम्ही अशी शांत का होऊन जाता कॅमेरा ऑन केला बरोबर.
तू एकदम असा कॅमेरा ऑन करून देतो.
They look so thick यार. Like I didn't know my hair is so thick. इतना thick बाल, मेरा thick बाल. Just shaving my face. Even Saish is shaving his face. We both are shaving our faces. Bikini shoot. Bikini shoot. Bikini.
आम्ही घेऊ बरं.
संडासात.
मी इथे तुझी राहते. मी इथे मी लिस्ट केली. म्हणूनच
लॉल.
Are you learning makeup? You have written it down.
I have written the steps so that I don't forget. I had done this
Your course?
practice.
Oh,
No, I
practice.
had done practice last week, so I just wrote so that I do the same thing again.
Huh.
Many times I forget some steps. I'm a YouTuber actually.
Sorry?
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, is it?
I make makeup videos. I'm doing makeup myself because it's like very expensive to be done.
Yes.
Like just one time thing, right? And I already have so much makeup.
Depending on what products you are using, you know, makeup artists, they show these branded makeups. That's why they charge so much.
Yeah.
It's for the curls to stay longer.
Okay.
It won't damage your hair.
No, that's I just asked. Thing is like in winter, right? Meaning there's less humidity, so I
Yeah.
style my hair a lot, so it's damaged. So I got this Dyson hair wrap.
Oh, you got a Dyson.
Yeah.
That's nice. So do you want a bit of volume
Yeah.
on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't smile.
Oh,
I can't smile. Lines will come.
ऐसे खड़े रहेंगे बोला
वहाँ पे नहीं.
कोणतं नाव आहे तुझं
साईश.
मी आपल्याला चांगलं दिसतंय सगळं. तुला विचारलं का समजतं? मराठी येतं का तुला? थोडे
हिंदी बोलना.
हिंदी येते का? कौन सा अच्छा लगता है देखो. What is your outfit?
लहंगा. डार्क पिंक लहंगा.
Dark pink. इथपर्यंत आलं पाहिजे ना? इथलं
हाँ.
हेच गोड दिसतं.
ठीक है.
हे जास्त मोठं नाही ना? Yeah, that's too huge. This one is very big.
तू दिलेलं छान.
हाँ ते तुझे याच्या मॅचिंग होते. तिचा इसका नेकलेस ऐसा है ना? नीचे ऐसे मोती लगा हुआ है. हाँ तो वो मॅच करेगा. तिथे सगळे दागिने काढले का? घालायचे? त्याच्यात हे आहे बरं. हाताचं लक्षात ठेवशील.
कपडे कसे घालू?
कपडे घालून घ्या. कपडे घालून घ्या. मेकअप नंतर करा.
मला समजा हे माझा केसांचं होईल का गं ते? काय म्हणतात त्याला? फ्रेंच रोल बनेगा?
फ्रेंच रोल
हाँ?
या बन चाहिए आपको?
तू ब्लाउज घाल आणि वरती साईजचा शर्ट घाल.
मागच्या वर्षी
बाबाचा घाल.
इथे केसांना लावणार आहे काहीतरी
काय?
फूलों यहाँ पे आएगा क्या कुछ ये डिजाइन इसमें?
क्या?
फूल का ऐसे रहता है वो लगाएंगे.
Do you have baby's breath? Can someone get fresh flowers for you? Baby's
Flowers?
breath.
फुलं लावू.
से लगाएंगे तो अच्छा दिखेगा.
साईश 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 साईश. फुलं आहे. Which
Is there a florist around?
या व्हाट डू यू
Baby's breath I needed. Baby's breath. Yeah. It's like those tiny, the strands are there and tiny white flowers.
ओके
So you can get only one bunch.
ओके
Just,
like this.
yeah.
साईश हे बघ. Okay. Thank you so fast. Give me little थोड़ा पानी.
Oh, lovely.
Try that other.
Oh my god, you look goddess.
I'm vlogging it.
Oh, lovely.
Wow, this is really nice.
Front is fine.
Yeah, here little bit.
The frizz.
Yeah, yes. It's exactly how I wanted.
You're really pretty.
Thank you. Saish, you have double-sided tape. How? Play some positive songs. I'm scared. He just showed me a very scary video right now. I'm gonna cry. Some shooting happened very close to my place. Not the Korea wala. Even Mendy's became so black. It has never become so black. I tried so many things to make it dark. Maybe. What are you watching?
Babe, it was a film shooting, sorry.
That's what. That looked very fake, the running and all. Turns out it was a film shooting. What the hell, bro? It looked so real. Like they just shot and they died. I mean, it looked like a movie, but it looked real also. So I was so scared for a minute, but then one more clip came and they showed all the filming setup and all. I'm relieved. Okay. My jewelry is almost done. सिर्फ rings पहनी है and necklace. टिकली लगाऊं क्या मैं? कैसे लगाऊं यार? Call someone to help me. फिर से bridesmaid आ गया मेरा. Bridesmaid, आ जाओ. ओ ऐसे भी होता है? Wait. आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी लंग.
अगर सब स्लीव्स को तेरा फाउंडेशन
मेरा
लगाना तो देख
Sleeve को.
स्लीव्स को
Sorry. I'll not touch. मेरा बाल है बहुत ही
मेरा
सुंदर.
बाल रिकॉर्डिंग है क्या?
हाँ जी.
लेकिन मेरा फेस नहीं दिख रहा है साइड से.
So who will they think you are then?
I don't know, your affair or something.
Are you idiot? मेरे घर में.
कुत्ता में मैं ये बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Thank you so much. How do I look? मेरा बाल और earrings पहना है.
Hello.
Oh wow.
Very good.
This is that pose I was talking about. I'm going now. This is my backup saman. Bye bye. I'm ready and my this thing just everything dropped. And the person who had done it for me, she went. So I'll have to ask someone else. It was so difficult to get in the car. I remembered that scene from Sex and the City. Is somebody put AC lounge where that Carrie has to, you know, like everyone has to push her dress in. I felt exactly like that. Whew. I've taken the whole seat, back seat.
AC लायता
I'm feeling hot.
AC लायता
मेरा ब्लश चला जा रहा है. No more blush. Should I put more blush? Oh, hotting. I mean, feeling hot. Look at the sun. Oh my god, how awesome.
कोणाक बुकिंग
Like no one put like this nazar ka tika for me, so my contour will do its job. Oh my gosh, some shooting going on there. Can't see anyone. Cramp आला पायात.
क्या चला
हाँ. We have reached. My photographs being taken.
इधर 430 की हां 430 की बेटा बेटा one more
Everyone's looking at me. We are near the stage. So awkward. And you have to do entry again because they forgot to do that thing. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? वो झाड़ को क्या बोलते हैं?
cold pyro
Cold? Why not hot? It's hot, right?
cold it's not actually flame
Okay, it's cold. Starting. Not everyone has come yet, but yeah, this is how it's looking right now. It's just the starting. My mom is. That's the photographer. Most of the people are gone. It's like almost 10. That's Ved.
और
Say
you
something.
don't want more pics no done you don't have any
अगर poses है तो चाहिए. We don't know what to pose.
tension
अच्छा.
जो है
हाँ मैं है. अच्छा. So we are done eating now. Like most everyone is left. Only family people is here. And my cousins. My hair is dropped. I mean the curls are dropped. Usually ulta happens. Like I straighten my hair and it gets curly. ये तो curly straight हुआ. We are going home now. I'll see you at home. So we are home. So tired. I can't believe it's done. Reception is done. Now who will pay attention to me?
So what is this?
My lehenga is so heavy, but it didn't fluff up completely. My auntie helped me, so at least little bit that fluff happened. Otherwise, there would have been none. Come here. देखो husband, wife, bride and groom. मेरे को bride रहना है forever.
यार हो गया अभी खत्म, अभी कुछ नहीं.
और एक है रिसेप्शन. मैं यही पहनूंगी वो भी रिसेप्शन में. Because why not? But it will be different. Spend so much money.
इसका फ्लाइट में एक्स्ट्रा लगेज लगेगा.
क्यों एक्स्ट्रा क्यों लगेगा?
हैवी है ना.
So this is the only thing I'm gonna wear ना. और क्या चाहिए?
और मेकअप वगैरह नहीं
तेरा
लगेगा.
मेकअप भी लगेगा 2 किलो. ये उल्टा हुआ ना. यूजुअली मैं आई गेट कर्ली. अभी कर्ली का स्ट्रेट हुआ. Haven't removed heels because I wanna say bye. I don't know how it's related, but thank you so much for watching the vlog. This is how my makeup is looking later tonight. It's still looking pretty good, yo. Thank you so much for watching the whole thing. There will be one more reception. Should I vlog it? Let me know in the comments down below. The location will be different and also the guests. So that will be for my relatives. This was for his side relatives because all of them are from Goa and my relatives are not from Goa. This was mainly his side. Let me know if you want me to vlog the next thing also. Actually, I was not gonna vlog this, but a lot of people requested it on Instagram, so that's why I vlogged it. And I had fun actually, and it's like a memory also, right? I can watch it anytime and I will remember how I was feeling. So yeah, it's like 2-in-1, vlog plus video diary. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! People will think I'm crazy for talking like this after midnight, but I've had a lot of coffee today. I don't think I'm gonna get sleep. I'm tired, but I'm not sleepy, so if that makes sense. I love my eyeshadow. Okay, bye now.